Welcome back, everybody. So today we're having the ultimate breakfast sandwich, and this is with the stuff that we're going to need. We have our ham, our cheese, sausages, our eggs, our bacon, some butter, our croissant, and some hash browns. Oh yeah, like I said, ultimate breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. So let's go ahead and fire up our Blackstone. All right, so we have this on low, and I just added some oil. So let's go ahead and add our hash browns. So let's go ahead and add our bacon. I got some hickory smoked bacon. Go ahead and add our sausages down here. This is what we got. All this stuff was bought at Walmart. For our eggs, we're going to be using this Blackstone. This is our made for the eggs. I love using these for like sandwiches. I'm going to give these a flip. Alright, let's go ahead and put our eggs down. So, this makes it real simple to cook your eggs. So bacon looks like it's pretty much done. I'm going to put that there. Our hash browns look like they're done. Put our ham down. So everything looks like it's pretty much ready. Let's add some butter. For our croissants. So the eggs, now this should just come off like that. And there they go, nice and round. Alright. Alright, so here we go. One is going to be the ultimate. Do some of that. Hash browns, ham. Add some bacon in there. Look at that. our nice, perfectly rounded egg. Put some cheese on top. Put our sausage. Oh yeah. Look at that. All right, let's go. All right, so here you have it. We have here the ultimate sandwich, croissant. All right, so we got our hash browns, our ham, bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese. Look at this beauty. Oof. Are you guys ready? I am ready. This is my version of the ultimate breakfast sandwich because it has everything. Now, if you guys can think of more things to add, I mean, I don't know what else you can add, but let me know because I think this is it right here. You guys ready? Let's go. This is a perfect breakfast sandwich here. Every once in a while, I love making this. I've tried it, the same thing, but with a bagel. Oh my God, great. But the croissant just has a little bit more, goes a little bit more higher than the bagel. Found the croissants. I was like, ooh, ultimate breakfast sandwich with the croissant. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys leave a like, a subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.